How to fix TikTok under review problem. Hello everybody. If you're having that issue, you may follow up the step. So go ahead and open up TikTok first. And then once you open up TikTok like this, what you can do is you can head over the profile in the bottom right. This opens up. Now from here, head over the three dots and the lines at the top. And from here, go to option called settings and privacy. After heading over to this, scroll down and go to option called support or report a problem. Let's head over to report a problem. After going to report a problem, wait for the screen to load up. And from here, you may head over to the option called feed and playback and select feed, and you have the option. And here you will be given a short solution. Click on no and tap on this need more help, and TikTok help desk appears. So what you're gonna do is in the send a message section, you're gonna write in a message like something like this, and once you do that, they will surely review your problem, and if there are any issues, they would make adjustment to fix it. So for now, you may follow this method, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.